Today, we're going to draw a beautiful mountain, river, and nature scenery step by step. First, let's start with the two big trees. Draw the tree trunks on the left and right sides of the paper. Then, create big, fluffy tree canopies using curved, round lines.
Standing strong, trees are tall and standing strong.
Now, draw the ground on both sides of the picture. Make the ground slightly curved to give our scenery a natural, beautiful look.
The sea. Leaves go dancing.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep drawing with Tums Sketch.
Through the trees, roots down deep beneath the ground, holding steady, safe and
Next, let's draw our beautiful winding river.
standing strong.
Start the river from the middle of the scenery and make it narrow in the distance. Then gradually make it wider as it comes toward the front. Now, add some background land behind the river. Draw gentle curved lines to create the landscape. Add a row of small bushes along the background land. Use little curved, fluffy shapes to make the bushes look natural. Now let's draw the beautiful mountains in the background. Draw several mountain peaks and add some snowy areas near the tops.
Standing strong, standing strong.
Add a bright sun above the mountains. Draw a few small lines around it to make it look warm and glowing. Now add some fluffy clouds around the mountains and sun. Keep them small and soft so they don't cover the beautiful scenery. Finally, add some cute flowers near the riverbank.
Trees are tall and standing.
You can also add a tiny butterfly to make the scene more lively. Draw their stems, leaves, and little flower heads. Now comes the most exciting part, coloring our beautiful scenery. Let's start with the trees. Use yellow first.
Trees are tall and standing strong. Shade for you, shade for
Then add light green.
green and lovely by the sea.
And finally, use deep green. Blend these shades together to create a beautiful, colorful leafy canopy.
Rubbing soft
For the background bushes, start with deep green. Then add light green on top and in some smaller areas. Mixing the two shades will make the bushes look fuller and more natural.
standing strong.
Now let's color the mountains. Start with sky blue and gently fill the mountain areas. Then add some green to the lower parts of the mountains to create a beautiful natural landscape.
The sea. When the sun
Color the clouds with sky blue. Now color the sun with bright yellow. Make it nice and bright to give our scenery a warm, sunny feeling. Let's color the ground next. Use light green, yellow, and deep green. Start with light green, then add yellow in some areas, and finally use deep green for the darker grassy parts.
shade for
Color the leaves and stems with green.
green and
Now color the stones with gray. For the flowers, use red and yellow to make them bright and colorful.
trees are tall and standing.
If you enjoyed this drawing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep drawing with Tums Sketch.
Lovely, fresh and bright. Sway.
Let's make our butterfly colorful. Use different shades of blue on the wings. You can also add different shades of orange to make the butterfly stand out beautifully.
Shade for you. Shade.
Now let's color the river. Use different shades of blue. Start with lighter blue and gradually add darker blue.
Leaves go dancing in the breeze, rubbing softly.
For the tree trunks, use different shades of brown. Use lighter brown in some areas and darker brown in others to give the trunks more depth.
Standing strong, standing strong.
For the deeper areas of the river, use deep blue to create beautiful water shading.
Shade for me, green and lovely.
Amazing job, little artists! If you enjoyed this drawing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep drawing with Tums Sketch.
Cool beneath the sky. Reach up
Finally, gently smooth the blue colors with your finger to blend the shades together and create a soft flowing water effect. And our beautiful mountain and river scenery is complete. Look at the colorful trees, mountains, winding river flowers, and little butterfly.
Goodbye.